Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper Hellebores with cardstock paper. Before we get started, please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies and the template linked below the video. This template will be for your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. And I have a print and cut for the machines where it has the freckled version of this flower, and you could also cut all the centers on the white cardstock paper after you make your print of the freckles. You could also make these flowers in other colors, which I'll show you the options after. Then I add some green watercolor on center number 1 and center 4. I also add a little bit on the bottom of center 2 and in the middle of the center 3 circle. Then add a little yellow on the top side of the center 2 and the outer edge of center 3. The center has a varying color of green and yellow and a little bit of white, so you could vary in any of these shades of color. Once you have the patterns off the mat, you will also need to watercolor the back side of the center 1 and center 4, the solid green ones. Then once they are dry, shape the center 4 by stacking 2 of the pieces and curl each petal with the stack. Then poke a hole on both the center 4 pieces. Then get all the pieces in order from 1 through 4 and start with the first one and add white glue that I'll be linking below the video and add it onto a thicker floral wire stem. And I try to gather the pieces together so it's kind of glued together closest to the stem. Then take the second center, and you should have 2 of these that were green on the bottom and yellow on the tips. And continue to use white glue and add that to the stem and add the second one on top as well. Then take the center 3 and glue that to the bottom and continue with the center 4, and the center 4 should have 2 pieces, so make sure to crisscross those so they go in between. Then gather them by gently pushing them up, and these Hellebores come in a variety, with some of the center being more open, so you could just leave it open, and some are more enclosed, so you can mix it up for the center. Then take 5 petals. This was a print then cut file, but you could also make these in solid burgundy, green, light red. You can find the colors by looking them up through the internet. The freckles will be on the print file. Stack them up and curl the petals in towards you and curl the tips back away from you. By the way, the print is only for the one side. You don't have to print the back side. Then glue the stem area of each petal, and some of the stems should glue on the stem wire part and some should glue onto the bottom of the center. I am using hot glue for the petals. Then go in the circle and start adding all the petals. There are 5 petals, so you have to make sure the angles are going the right direction. This is not like a 4 petal that would create like a letter T or an X. Since it has 5, it will look more like a star, so make sure there is enough space for all 5 of the petals to go around. Then add the bottom leaves. You could add 2 or 3 on the bottom. Then floral tape as close to the bottom, catching some of the stem from the petals. Then tape onto the wire and go down the wire. The next part will be just a branch of leaves. You will need just the file called leaves, and they are just slightly bigger leaves. You could add 3 or more, but here I'm doing 3. Fold it in half with the stack and gently shape them by curling them out. Then floral tape another floral wire and add each leaf at a time, but all of them should meet at the tip and floral tape. I made a few more flowers and added the branch on the side. You could add more leaves in between. I also made them in different colors. These flowers are also known as Christmas roses or Lent roses because they are flowers that bloom during the winter. So I thought they would be perfect to make during the winter time, and they would look so good with other paper flowers. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.